Find the standard error for the mean of data below. So here we have 15 data points, and we're going to find the standard error for the mean of those data points. So the first thing we need to do is remember our standard error formula. Standard error equals S, the sample standard deviation, over the square root of n. And in this case, we know n equals 15 because there are 15 data points. So we have the square root of 15 in our denominator. But we don't yet know what the numerator is going to be. So we'll go to the TI 84 calculator, and the first thing we need to do is enter those data points into a list. So I have data in this list, so I go up one and I clear it out, so we have nothing in the list at all. And then I'll go ahead and I will enter those data points into the list. So I'll have 42, 75, and I'm going to pause the recording. So now I have entered all 15 data points into list 1 on the calculator. And the next thing I'll do is I'll hit the Stat button. And this time I'll arrow over to Calc because I want to calculate the one variable statistics. And that's choice 1 here, so I'll just hit Enter. The calculator will default to list 1. So if you've entered your data in list 1, you can just click Enter. If you've entered it in another list, you need to indicate which list that is. So I'll hit Enter because I put it in list 1. And you'll see that now I have an S sub x, a sample standard deviation that is 31.081613. So now I know what goes in my numerator here. It's 31.081613. And I'll go back to the calculator to calculate that. So I will take 31.081613 divided by the square root of 15, because n was 15. And when I do that, I get the answer of 8.0252 if I round it to 4 decimal places. So that is my answer for the standard error for the mean of that data set of 15 points.